Hello guys, how's it going? So as you know, it's about Brammy once more with something new. Well, not really new. I guess I spoke about this earlier. That was today, yesterday, or whatever. Yeah. Yeah. So this video is about my automated system that I developed a few months ago. Um, well, I always had this system, but this is more like the revised edition of the system. Alright, so I this was first an indices system. Now I just narrowed it down to US30. Yes, I do have a Nasdaq system, so which I'll be showing. Yeah, I'll be showing it to you guys, and yeah, before the year ends. So yeah, but this video is all about US30 and my automated system, my robot, my expert advisor, my algorithm that I developed, trade US30, based on a few strategies that I've been using, and yes, they've been going pretty well, as you would see in this video. And according to my historical data on the VIP channel and even on the free channel, you would see where the wins are epic. So like I said in this video, I'm just going to show you the performance of this in about 24 hours or so. Yeah, I've been doing this for quite a while now, and I just thought of sharing it with you guys. I have multiple automated systems. I have multiple trading strategies for a variety of assets that I do trade, and of course I do have an automated system for each. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this. Alright, so US30, as we all know what US30 is. Well, for those of whom don't really know what is US30, US30 is an index. It's basically a basket of the top 30 stocks that are listed on American stock exchanges like Nasdaq, New York Stock Exchange. Yeah. So these are very big companies, and that really explains why US30 is so volatile. Why is it so risky? Trade US30, and I really didn't really want to use the word risky because the ideal word is volatile, and volatility is really what we want in the market. If the market is consolidating or sleeping, I really don't want to trade because there's, I should think, a higher level of uncertainty. The beauty about volatility is that yes, it can mean something bad, but if the market is trending, and for example US30, if US30 if the market is moving, then definitely we can make money. It's nothing to play around with. Like, you could be up like 500 pips. You don't necessarily have to go for more than that. You can put your stop loss in profit, or you can close the trade. Or if you're so ambitious, you can add more positions or whatever. You do what you do. But we know of the daily, how should I put it? Like each asset has like a daily range, a daily amount of pips that it would produce. So you'd have the GBP pairs, the Euro pairs, you'd have Canadian US pairs, you'd have gold, and of course you'd have the indices. All of these would produce an average amount of pips on a daily basis. Now, what these other assets, for example, the CFDs and currencies, which we would consider as the most volatile, what these do for the entire day what we notice with US30 is that with US30, US30 will garner a whole day performance in like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, uh, 30 minutes, and all. You understand? So that's the reason I like US30. That's the reason I like gold and Nasdaq and GBP CAD. I really don't like any other currency pair apart from GBP CAD. I'll do a video about that. Yeah, there's something special about that. But yeah, just to give you a little overview on US30, like when I first started trading indices, yes, of course, I was not interested in the most volatile one, but of course, I really had to know what is this thing about, what are the companies associated with US30, and look into Nasdaq as well. You all know I love that as well. So US30 and Nasdaq, these two would like move in the same direction on, yeah, like 95% of the time these will move in the same direction. And the strategies, like most of the strategies are developed for the reason I'm talking about Nasdaq in this US30 video is because most of the strategies are developed for US30. They are applicable to Nasdaq. A lot of them I developed for Nasdaq, applicable for US30 as well. Sometimes, some days, some specific days, And the reason I'm placing so much emphasis on US30 is just for you not to get it confused, because so many people claim that, whatever US30 is doing, Nasdaq is doing. Yes, they move alike. You understand? Some assets are correlated. There's a positive correlation with various assets, but of course, it's not absolute. There's always going to be relative movements in the markets. So yeah. Now to get into this US30, it's really based on mathematics. It's purely on math, and it's a whole lot of deep coding and a whole lot of numbers, calculation, whatever. Yeah, so it's something I just realized with just like now you have the pandemic, the COVID-19. So many persons, so many medical professionals on a global scale. These people they're busy trying to come up with the ultimate vaccine. And this is not something that will just exist out of thin air. This is something that will, the effective vaccine can only come about by observation, testing, and, the whole process of elimination. And it's really the same approach I resorted when I was thinking about developing this strategy, or really to perfect this strategy, because like I said, I've had multiple strategies, and I do have a lot of strategies that are still valid, but this strategy is very special. You understand? I would send a lot of trades based on this strategy, but yeah, like every single day, and sometimes it's like only once. Thus far, I think it was, I really can't recall. Well, I think personally trading, I think when I was testing it, like probably over 10 times on a in a particular day, I think there are like 2 losses, but like given it in the VIP on a daily basis, like everything came out to be victorious. So I really love it. And on this automated system, is it 100%? No, it's not 100%. It's above 90% win rate, which I will prove to you. You understand? And the beauty about it is that I've done a lot of back testing of, I demoed this like for how many weeks, and it's working. No, I'm really excited about this. Well, yeah, yeah, I just want to show you this. So, like I said, it's based on mathematics, and I just want to show it to you. I just want to show it to you. So I developed this, and oh man, it's crazy. And the lot size I use is the minimum, uh, 10 cents per pip, and it takes a whole lot of trades. You know, like numbers don't lie, and that's the reason I like to use math in this, especially with US30 and gold. I have a lot of my strategies are based on that. So as you can see, um, I would introduce capital to this account, around $2,000, and so the system, the algorithm, my robot would start to trade, and you would see these are losses. All of these are losses on the account. Um, well, yeah, the negative, as you know, negative means it's a loss, right? That says 10 cents per pip. And, yeah, so let's go ahead and see what happens on this account. So now the account is down to $1,479.35, right? But, trust me, I'm really impressed with this. Um, I consider this to be my ultimate US30 um robot, and I mean I really don't have to do anything else. Like I really don't need to develop another um automated system. I really don't need to do it. Thing is, I love what I do. So like when I trade manually, it's really mere exercise because I love what I'm doing. Like I retired from a 9 to 5 from I was like 22. Yeah, now I'm 26. Like yeah, it's I like it. There's really nothing much to do. Like I'm just learning. I'm trying to explore. I'm trying to learn. Like I learn every single day. I learn something new every single day. We all do, but you know, I learn amazing things every single day. You understand? And of course, a lot of this would really concern trading, and I love it. I really love it. Look at this. The account is at $4,450, right? Amazing. Amazing. Yeah, so I mean, like I said, I really don't need to do anything else. Like I retired from the 9 to 5. I don't need to work for anyone. I don't need to do anything else in life. You understand? I just need to fund my account, whatever, just, put money in it. And it does everything for me automatically. So what it does is it would enter a trade with an established take profit and stop loss, and you just trade automatically. Just like it's an artificial version of myself. It's an artificial version of Brammy. It's virtual Brammy. Yeah, so that's really me trading. It's I'm a robot. I turn myself into a robot. You understand? So that's basically what it is. It does everything automatically. It's the ultimate trading system. So now the account is up over 7K. All right. Yeah, it's impressive. So this account actually went to over 30K. Almost went to it went close to uh 31,000 because it was like 30,800 and something. It's impressive. So it then went to 7,000. Oh, we'll see. Well, it's really crazy because, like I said, look at this. Lot size 10 cent profit. You understand? Like, oh man. Like, I know everything that's in this video. I know the results, but I'm still, I'm still excited. I'm still impressed. I'm still amazed by this whole thing. It's like unprecedented, you know. I'm really proud of myself because I mean I did this. I prayed about it, you know. I don't pray for money. I pray for wisdom. You know, I'm an avid reader of the Bible, and I try to emulate King Solomon. You know, he was such a wise person. I really tried. I try not to pray for money. Like people don't understand. Like not all prayers are answered. I don't pray for money. I don't pray to like if I were to enter a trade. I don't pray for that to win because hey, God loves me. He loves you too. Like, I mean, I'm in a buy, you're in a sell. I mean, it's not going to let you lose your money. Because if he allows me to win, he's basically allowing you to lose. You understand? So, what I do is pray for wisdom so that I just want to take the right trade, you know? And every time I lose a trade, trust me, I remember all my losses. Like, I remember every single trade that was a loser. And that's the time I actually started to, I know, think of a loser as a lesson more than us. You understand? Like, I won so many trades, like, it's just unconscious, it's just an unconscious routine. It's like walking. It's like getting up walking. It's like talking. It's like hearing, tasting, feeling. That's, that's what winning has become for me. So that's the reason I said I can remember all of my losses because I have to find out why did this thing lose? Why did I lose that trade? What happened? You know? So that's just my whole approach on it. So now you can see the balance right here, $9,805. So $2,000 was introduced to this account and now the balance is $9,805. So that's like 7K profit net. You know, if we were to look at the graph, you can see that account actually went to third 30,827. Sorry about that. Yeah. And then it came down to around $9,000, right? Yeah, so just an amazing system. I just thought of, showing it to you guys so you can have a look. It's really a wonderful system. It's sorry. Alright, so you can really check this out. My sinus. Alright, so if you watch this much, I would really like to thank you for watching. And you can really ask just about anything in the comments. Just ask anything, you know. But I consider this to be the ultimate trading system. I really don't need to do anything. Like, I really don't need to enter a trade ever again. Like, I can just sleep 24/7. I don't need to do anything. It's my gift to you.